India's mutual fund industry is booming. By 2030, nearly 150 million investors could be part of India's mutual fund sector. The numbers speak for themselves. Just a year ago, the total assets under management AUM stood at 34 lakhs crore. Today, that figure has soared to 64 lakhs crore. But with so many people investing, how do you make sure you are making the right choices? Most new investors focus on just one thing, AUM and past performance. But is that enough? Before you invest, ask yourself these 5 crucial questions to make a truly informed decision. Number 1. Does a high AUM mean a better fund? Many investors assume that a higher AUM means a better performing mutual fund. But is that really true? A high AUM shows investor confidence, but it doesn't always translate to superior future returns. Large funds can face operational challenges just like smaller ones. Some smaller funds even outperform their biggest counterparts due to better flexibility. So don't judge a fund only by its AUM, dig deeper. Past performance, is that a misleading indicator? So many investors look at the impressive past returns of a mutual fund and assume the trend will continue. But does a fund that has performed well over the past 3 years guarantee similar success in the future? Not necessarily. This is especially true for sectoral funds. A sector may have delivered extraordinary returns recently, but what if its growth cycle has peaked? If a downturn is imminent, investors who enter late may face disappointing returns. That's why blindly following past performance can be a costly mistake. Next is assessing your risk tolerance. So if past performance isn't reliable, what should investors do? The answer lies in understanding your financial goals and risk tolerance. So before investing, ask yourself, what are my long-term financial goals? Can I handle short-term market fluctuations? And how much risk am I comfortable taking? Would it make sense to invest in a way that aligns with your risk appetite rather than chasing past returns? A disciplined, goal-based investment strategy always leads to better financial outcomes. So what are the 5 key questions you need to ask yourself before investing in a mutual fund? So the thing is, how can investors assess a mutual fund's future potential? The best way is to ask the right questions. So before investing, make sure you have clear answers to these 5 crucial questions that I'm now going to ask. Number 1, what is the fund's investment philosophy? Does it align with your investment approach and goals? Number 2, how does a fund compare to its benchmark? Is there a clear benchmark that indicates its long-term performance potential? And number 3, what strategy does this fund follow? Is it based on a disciplined, well-researched methodology or just chasing trends? Number 4, can this fund consistently outperform its benchmark? Like, what are the chances of superior long-term returns? Number 5, who is managing this fund? Does the fund manager have the experience and expertise to handle market fluctuations? If you don't get clear, well-reasoned answers to these questions, think twice before investing. Before investing in a mutual fund, wouldn't it be wise to fully understand what you're getting into? So know the advantages and risks before making a decision. Don't invest based on past performance alone. Take a long-term approach aligned with your financial goals, because investing without this awareness offers little real benefit. So what is the final takeaway from our analysis? Investing in mutual funds should be a well-informed decision, not a rushed one. By asking the right questions and going beyond past performance and AUM, you can make smarter investment choices. A well-researched, goal-based strategy ensures long-term wealth creation. Clarity and confidence always beat uncertainty and guesswork. Do you want expert guidance on building a strong mutual fund portfolio? Then click the link in the description for a free consultation with one of our certified financial planners today. And if you find this video interesting, give it a like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting financial insights. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.